So for 12.1, we have the three-dimensional coordinate system. For this, we will take our X, Y axis that you've been working with for years and years and years. And I'm just going to draw the XY axis here. So this XY, that's in 2 space. And I'll take a third line and go right through the middle with it. That's going to be the Z axis. So that will give me 3 dimensions. Now I'll talk about how I'll draw this on the page because, I can't much do this. What I will do, I'll take a new sheet of paper and, draw it XY. And then take a pencil or something and actually punch a hole in here. So there's my Z axis right there. So we're doing 3 space. And you probably saw 3 space in high school at some point. Is that correct? Some of you. Yeah? Okay. So we're doing 3 space. Now, what I need to do to sketch this is I would want to probably put one of the lines sort of at a little angle on my paper, and the other one angled like this. And I'm going to label it the way your book has labeled it, but depending on what you're graphing, you might choose the labelings a little different. The book has this one is the y-axis, this one is x, and all I drew was the positive side of the lines. The z-axis, I'll draw straight up. That's positive z. And what I typically will do is for the negative numbers, I'm going to put little dotted lines. Negative x, negative on z, negative on y. If I need, sometimes I leave those dotted lines off. You got to kind of make your decision about what you're going to put here so that it's not real cluttered up. And then we want to plot points. Well, we don't have the pair. The pair is if we're doing x, y. So now we have x, y, z. So we'll plot points x, y, z. So I will make up a few problems, like I might want to plot 2, 3, 5. Let's put in I'll call that one point A. Point B, let's put in a negative, like -1, 4, -2. Put in some negative coordinates there. So if I'm going to plot A, I'm going to come on the x-axis, mark off 2 units. Now I want to try to use the same markings. You might have a reason to use different markings, but what I'll do is come to 2 on the x-axis. Now, if I stopped right there, what are the coordinates of that point? 2, 0, 0. Then I'm going to put in a little dotted line parallel to the y-axis. And I don't want to come straight down I don't want to go to 3 on the y-axis and come straight down. I want to mark on this parallel line the same spacing that I have on the y-axis. So if I come here and then here, what is that point? 2, 3, 0. And then I got to go up 5 units. Well, I can put my markings on the z-axis, but I'm not going to go straight up to 5 or like that. I need a line parallel to z, put in these same spaced markings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's point A, and that is 2, 3, 5. And if you just put A by it, that's fine. Now let me go ahead and plot B. For B, I'm going to go 1 unit back on X. Then I have 4 for Y. So from the 1 unit back, I'm going to draw a line parallel to Y and think, okay, same markings. So I'm here, this is before I've done Z. Z is -2, so from here I'll go down 2 units, and here's point B. And I tried not to clutter it up too much, but the first part of 12.1 is plotting points in 3 space.